What if I told you that high blood pressure could be damaging your heart, brain, and kidneys right now, even if you feel completely fine?
High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can damage your body for years without causing any obvious symptoms. By the time many people discover it, the heart, arteries, or kidneys may already be under serious strain.
Every heartbeat pushes blood through your arteries. When that pressure stays too high for too long, the artery walls experience constant stress, forcing your heart to work much harder than it should. Your heart never gets a day off. It beats thousands of times every day, and uncontrolled blood pressure increases the workload with every single beat. That's what makes high blood pressure so dangerous. Serious damage can develop quietly over time, often without pain or noticeable warning signs until complications appear. One simple habit that may help is slow, controlled breathing. Taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply can activate your body's relaxation response and support healthy blood pressure alongside a healthy lifestyle. Too much sodium encourages your body to retain extra fluid. That extra fluid increases the volume of blood moving through your arteries, making your heart work harder to maintain healthy circulation. Your kidneys play a vital role in balancing fluids and minerals. Supporting kidney health and limiting excess sodium can help maintain healthier blood pressure over time. Replacing highly processed foods with fresh, nutrient-rich meals is one of the simplest steps you can take to support both your heart and your blood vessels. A brisk walk most days of the week helps improve circulation, supports heart health, and encourages your arteries to stay flexible and responsive. As your blood vessels become more flexible, blood flows more efficiently. Over time, healthy daily habits can support better circulation and reduce unnecessary strain on your cardiovascular system. Chronic stress doesn't just affect your mind. It can also increase your heart rate and temporarily raise blood pressure by keeping your body in a constant state of alert. Taking a few quiet minutes each day to relax, breathe deeply, or meditate can help calm your nervous system and support long-term heart health. Potassium-rich foods help support healthy muscle and nerve function and play an important role in maintaining normal blood pressure as part of a balanced diet. Magnesium also supports healthy muscle function, including the smooth muscles that form the walls of your blood vessels, helping them function normally. Healthy daily habits work together over time. They help your blood vessels function more efficiently, allowing blood to move through your body with less resistance and less strain on your heart. Strength training isn't just for building muscle. It also supports healthy circulation, improves overall fitness, and helps your body use oxygen more efficiently. During exercise, your blood vessels naturally respond by relaxing and expanding, allowing blood to flow more efficiently throughout your body. With regular physical activity, your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood, reducing the effort required during everyday activities. Quality sleep gives your cardiovascular system time to recover. During healthy sleep, your body performs many important repair processes that support long-term heart health. A consistent sleep schedule, combined with healthy daily habits, helps create the best environment for your heart and blood vessels to recover and function at their best. Your heart never takes a break. Every second of every day, it pumps blood throughout your body. Keeping your blood pressure under control helps reduce unnecessary strain on this incredible organ and supports long-term cardiovascular health. Your heart is designed to move with you. Even a simple daily walk helps improve circulation, supports healthy blood vessels, and keeps your cardiovascular system active. Healthy arteries remain flexible and responsive. That flexibility helps maintain smooth blood flow and reduces unnecessary stress on your cardiovascular system. No single habit does everything. The real benefits come when healthy choices work together consistently, day after day. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one healthy habit today, stay consistent, and give your heart the care it deserves for years to come. Healthy blood pressure doesn't usually improve overnight. It develops through consistent daily habits like regular activity, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and following your healthcare provider's advice. Small habits may seem simple, but together they can make a meaningful difference in supporting your heart and protecting your overall health. As your strength and endurance improve, everyday activities like climbing stairs, walking longer distances, and staying active become easier and more comfortable. Every healthy decision you make today is an investment in your future. Your heart, blood vessels, and entire body benefit from the choices you repeat consistently. Your heart works for you every moment of your life. Take care of it with healthy habits, regular checkups, and the guidance of your healthcare professional. Small actions today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. Your blood vessels respond to the choices you make every day. Healthy habits can support better artery function and improve overall cardiovascular health over time. Your heart works around the clock without stopping. Giving it the support it needs through healthy living is one of the best investments you can make. The biggest improvements don't come from one perfect day. They come from repeating healthy habits consistently, week after week and month after month. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. What matters most is taking that first step today and continuing to move toward a healthier future. Your future health is shaped by the decisions you make today. Care for your heart, stay active, eat well, sleep enough, and keep moving forward one healthy choice at a time. Better heart health begins with a single decision. One healthy choice today can become a lifelong habit that supports your body for years to come. Every healthy meal, every walk, every good night's sleep, and every moment of physical activity help support the incredible work your heart performs every day. Progress isn't about being perfect. It's about taking one step after another and staying committed to a healthier lifestyle. Healthy habits work best as a team. Together, they support your heart, improve circulation, and help you maintain better overall health. Your heart has been working for you every second of your life. Start caring for it today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more evidence-based health tips and take one small step toward a healthier future every day.